Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix cannot add item to cart on Amazon. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first reason would high likely be your internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. Always make sure that VPN is off and try toggling on and off your airplane mode just to go ahead and give it that quick refresh. If that doesn't fix the problem, then your application might have a pending update. Simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you're using, and simply go ahead and search for Amazon. Once you search for it, simply go ahead and tap on it. And then if there are any updates available, there's going to be an update button. Simply tap on that and it should fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, then simply you have no other options but to delete the app and reinstall it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.